In this video, we are going to be analysing Mullen, ticker MULN. Again, a lot of people always ask for this. We have done quite an analysis on this recently, and we are down 18% on the day. So again, more people just wanting to see where this stock is heading. So we will quickly do a quick level of notice on the longer term time frames. On the left, we have a 6 month. On the right, we have a 1 year. And 30 cents is going to be that key level. What you can see here is this is our statistical mean on the 6 month chart. This is where we in time expect the price to reverse to. So look out for that. If we continue this pullback, this is going to be that key target that we'll be paying attention to. And just because this is the only level we're going to plot on a longer term time frame, we will change the color just to make it stand out. So 30 cents is going to be that key target. Now, what we will quickly do is go onto a shorter term time frame, 20-day and a 30-day should be good enough, and then we can start getting some levels off here. So you can see we are coming into a first deviation level now at 38 cents. First deviation on the 20-day chart. You can see we're about a cent or two off here now. Actually, we did hit the higher end of the 38 cents. So basically, this level was hit. Now, this is going to be key. If we can hold this, and what do I mean by that? You see, we come into this level, you start seeing buying pressure, like we kind of see now off this level. But again, you want to see at least on kind of the 5 or 15 minute, some closes above. Especially if you're checking level 2, you want to see that there's buying pressure and buyers ready to pick it up at 38. If you see that level hold, then that's a good indication that we'll push back up to around 50 cents, because that is our first deviation and near to our statistical mean on both the 20-day and the 30-day chart. On the other hand though, if we break this level, considering on how this stock's been moving today, if you check the analysis video we did on this most recently, you'll see we gave you a level, and as soon as it kind of broke that, that was its big mover. Because again, these are levels we provide you with. These are levels where you expect to see high volatility. They don't always mean that they'll hold, but they do mean that's where a lot of people are looking at the stock. And again, not so much on Mullen because it's a smaller cap stock, but especially on the larger cap stock, it's definitely where algorithms are getting involved. So it's good to know where these levels are, because you then know where the big moves are going to be. So again, that's the key thing we're looking at on this 38, because if we end up breaking below here, we could just pop all the way straight down to 30 cents. Or what you may get, and the way you can really do this is just by checking volume. If you see higher volume, you are more likely to go straight down. If the volume is a bit lower, again, you still expect it to be high, just not massive. When you want to see that break below, come back to retest it as a resistance, and if that holds, expect a slower move down to 30 cents. So really, that's our key outlook on Mullen. Just in case you want more levels, we do have further supports at 27 and 22 cents. And on the other hand, if you want more resistances, we have at 60 cents, and that's going to be kind of our key resistance. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.